Now here are the 15 gorgeous contestants in gold swimsuits, a collection designed by Sanjeev Mulchandani. And let's also take a closer look at the contestants.
Hi guys, this is Aanchal. I'm 18 years of age. I'm from Delhi. I aspire to be a model because I'm beautiful, sexy, confident. So guys, watch out for me. To be a supermodel because I've always dreamed to be one. My name is Sakshi. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Delhi. I aspire to be a supermodel because I believe life is like a ship with stops at main destination, and my next destination is to become a supermodel.
I'm Sonam from Mumbai. I'm 18 years of age. I aspire to become a supermodel because I feel this is a great opportunity to prove myself.
Hi, I'm Manpreet. I'm from Mumbai. I'm 20 years old. I aspire to be a supermodel because I love the glamour world and I feel I fit into it.
I'm 20 years old and I'm from Kolkata. I aspire to become a supermodel because I feel I have the potential.
Hi, I'm Anurita. I'm 21-year-old and I'm from New Delhi. I aspire to be a supermodel because it's a great feeling to be called supermodel and I know I'm worth it.
Hi, I'm Priya Singh from Mumbai. I aspire to become a supermodel because I believe I have the right potentials to be one.
Hi, I'm Aksha. I'm 21 years old. I want to be a supermodel because it is something I've always wanted to do and this is my golden opportunity. A model from Mumbai. I aspire to be the next supermodel as it will broaden my horizons and I'll get to meet a lot of people, travel and to pursue my passion.
Hi, I'm Natasha from Mumbai. 21 years of age. I aspire to be a supermodel because this is where I feel I belong.
Hi, I'm Garima from Mumbai. I'm 20 years old. I aspire to be a supermodel because I think this is one of the best opportunities I'll ever get to walk the international ramp.
Hi, I'm Kanika. I'm from Delhi. I'm 16 years old. And I aspire to be a supermodel because it's a fascinating world out there.
Hi, I'm Shubhra from Bangalore. I aspire to be a supermodel because it's always been my dream to walk the international ramp. I just feel I belong there, and that's why I'm here.
Hi, I'm Praneeth from Mumbai. I'm 18 years of age. I aspire to be a model because I know I have what it takes. And I don't want to keep it to myself. I want to share it with the world.